Alright, so this one's a little bit harder, but I know that 64 is really just 16 times 4. And you have to try to figure out, how can I use 3, 16, and 20 to come up with this? Well, it's really hard, but if you think about, you could multiply top and bottom by 4 over 4. And by doing that, what you wind up getting is log base 16 of 20 over 16 times 16. So this one's really, really hard. But from here, we could use the quotient property. This is log base 16 of 20 minus the log base 16 of 16 to the second. And the log base 16 of 20, I told you, was 1.0805 minus, this is an inverse property, and if you just type that into your calculator, 1.0805 minus 2, you will get negative 0.9195. Alright, so that one's pretty hard. That's, the hardest one that you'll probably see. Let's do some other ones that you should be able to figure out on your own. How about the log base 16 of 3 over 16? Well, that's just a basic quotient property, log base 16 of 3 minus the log base 16 of 16. Log base 16 of 3, 0.3962. This is an inverse property, so you're just going to get 1. And if you type that into your calculator, this would just be negative 0.6038. Two more. How about the log base 16 of 9? Well, we have to try to figure out, how do we get 9 from 3, 16, and 20? Well, 9 is just 3 squared. So we could actually bring that 2 down using the power property and write 2 times the log base 16 of 3. And the log base 16 of 3, I told you, was this piece was 0.3962. And if you type that into your calculator, you will get 1.1886. And then the last problem, it says log base 16 of 6 and 2/3. Well, this is 6 and 2/3. Usually we don't like having mixed fractions, so we could just convert this to an improper. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. I'm sorry, I wrote the problem down wrong. This should be 6. 6 and 2/3. I think I said it right and I wrote it down wrong. So let's convert that to an improper. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Well, this is a quotient property. This is just the log base 16 of 20 minus the log base 16 of 3. I told you what the log base 16 of 20 was. That was 1.0805. Log base 16 of 3 was 0.3962. And if you type that into your calculator, it comes out to 0.6843. Alright, so for homework, what I would like you to do is please take a look at practice 10.3. We would like you to please do numbers 1 to 8. All right, thank you very much. Have a nice day.